Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this LG. Begin by opening settings. Now you need to choose display section over here and click on home screen at the top. Then click on select home at the top as well and tap on easy home. Lastly, select apply to save your changes. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, go into settings again, click on display, select home screen, click on select home and tap on one of those two options. I will go with home only. Then hit apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!